guys, welcome back to my video again, Ashley Vlog. Today I'm gonna vlog the kitchen. They are vlogging the kitchen, so today we're vlogging it. Let's go!
It's raining very hard. It's really raining.
They are vlogging also the kitchen.
Raining.
Hi! Say hi!
Hi. So my sister is also doing her vlog. So
we're vlogging also. So today we have Panda. It's so cute.
Please follow
my older sister's telling the Panda is so mean. So we have here our
and I really want to meet Animal Vlog, and I want to meet everybody in the
comment on my vlog and
guys, if you don't know,
follow my Musical.ly and follow the Musical.ly. So my Musical.ly is Ashley at Katipunan. Please follow it and like it and share it. So
see you guys later.
She have also Musical.ly in Ariana Katipunan. So our sister is here. So see you later. We're gonna do the challenge.
What's in my mouth challenge?
What is in my mouth challenge? Bye guys. See you later. We're gonna do the what is in my mouth challenge. Bye.
In Alex Katipunan vlog.
In my vlog first, and she's vlogged. Say bye. Say bye, guys. What are you doing?
Bye.
Bye.